Third question. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. Now here they have given us in the first sub-question distance between the points P and R, distance between the points P and Q, and distance between the points Q and R. Now first of all, when three distances are given to us, what are we to do? We have to look at the two smaller distances among the three, which are the smaller one. Now you see 3 and 7, they are lesser than 10. Then what we do is we add up those smaller numbers and see whether they sum up to the greater number. 3 plus 7, is it 10? Yes. Okay, so now from there we start further. Now note the relation between the given distances. We know that 7 plus 3 is 10. Now what is 7 actually? It is distance between the points P and R. So in place of 7, I can write distance between the points P and R plus. What is 3 actually? Distance between the points Q and R. So I write that. Then I write equal to. Then we have 10. What is 10? It is distance between the points P and Q. Now once I get this, just now we said that we can easily say which point is between the other two. How do we say? We take the side where the two distances are added, look at the distances, see which alphabet is repeated. We see in these two, R is the alphabet which is repeated. Therefore, this point R is lying between these two points P and Q. So I write point. Okay, note we can say that this coordinate R, point R, lies between the points. Which points? P and Q. So I can write P and Q. Now, once we have this relationship like this, that one distance plus the second distance is equal to the third distance, and they had already given that these points are here. Once we know that two distances are, the sum of the two distances is equal to the third distance, then we can say that all these three points, that is point P, point Q and point R, points P, Q and R are collinear. So what tells us that they are collinear? That is, the sum of two distances should be equal to the third distance. Then we can say points P, Q and R are collinear. Further, note the distances on the left hand side. Okay, that is the same thing what I explained to you in betweenness. The coordinate R appears in both these distances. Therefore, the point R lies between the two points P and Q. Similarly, we'll do for the next question. Here we have distance between R and S is 8. Distance between S and T is 6. Distance between R and T is 4. First we take the smaller two distances, that is 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Is that equal to this? No, here it is 8. So we can say that 4 plus 6 is not equal to 8. Now what is 4? It is distance between the points R and T. What is 6? It is distance between the points S and T. That is not equal to the distance between the points R and S. Therefore, these 3 points, that is R, S and T, are not collinear. So we write here points R, S and T are not collinear. So if they are not collinear, can there be any betweenness between R, S and T? That is one point lying between the other two? No. Therefore, no betweenness exists. Okay, this is the second sub question. Going to the third sub question. Here we have the distances 9, 7 and 16. The smaller distances are 7 and 9 compared to 16. Therefore, we can write 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. What is 7? Distance between the points B and C. What is 9? Distance between the points C and A. What is that equal to? The distance between the points A and B. And if suppose we have a relation like this, that sum of two distances is equal to the third distance, we say therefore points A, B and C are collinear. Now we have to look at the left hand side of the equation where the two distances added. We look at the coordinates here. We have B and C and C and A. So which coordinate is repeated? Point C. So therefore we can say point C lies between, which are the other 2 points? Here point B and point A. Points lies between points B and A. Going to the fourth sub question, we have the distances 11, 12 and 8. Which are the smaller distances? 8 and 11. So 8 plus 11, what is the bigger distance? It is 12. 8 plus 11 is 19. Is it equal to 12? No. So it is not equal to 12. What is 8? Distance between the points N and L. So distance between the points N and L plus distance between the point L and M is not equal to, this is 12 here, and what is 12? Distance between the points M and N. And if it is not equal, therefore we can say the points, which points are we talking about? N, L and M. The points N, L and M are not collinear. Going to the fifth question, the distance between the points X and Y is 15. The distance between the points Y and Z is 7. And the distance between the points X and Z is 8. Which are the smaller distances? 8 and 7. The bigger distance is 15. So we can say 7 plus 8. Is it equal to 15? Yes. So we write 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. What is 7? Distance between the points Y and Z. What is 8? Distance between the points X and Z is equal to, what is 15? Distance between the points X and Y. Now if the sum of the two distances is equal to the third distance, therefore points, which are the 3 points here we are talking about? X, Y and Z. Points X, Y and Z are collinear. And now we have to also say the betweenness. Therefore, what is the betweenness here? We see that the point Z lies, is there in this distance and in this distance also, right? We have to look at both these distances and see which coordinate is repeated. Point Z, you see point Z or coordinate Z is here and here. Therefore, point Z is lying between the points X and Y. Point Z lies between the points X and Y. Now in the previous question we said they are not collinear, therefore there is no betweenness which exists. We'll write that also. Therefore no betweenness exists. Going to the last question here, we have here the distances 5, 8 and 6. 5 and 6 are the smaller distances, so we can write 5 plus 6. The larger distance is 8. We write here 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is not equal to 8. What is 5? Distance between the points D and E. What is 6? Distance between the points D and F. Then it is not equal to. What is 8? Distance between the points E and F. Now here distance between the points D and E plus distance between the points D and F is not equal to this. Therefore these 3 points D, E and F are not collinear. So we write therefore the points D, E and F are not collinear. And if they are not collinear, no betweenness also exists. Therefore, no betweenness exists. So now we have completed the third question.